So some of you may have noticed that my last video was cut off a little bit abruptly. It's because I was having some real issues with the recording and the cameras, but I think I got it fixed up. So what you missed was I took off the front of the motor here, also the distributor, and also you missed the alternator stuff. And what we discovered that the problem with the motor is there was two major issues. One was the on the cam there was the this here is the governor, and the governor is clearly just broken and not functional. So what we're doing there is we're going to upgrade the cam, let's see, to this new style of cam, which utilizes ball bearings to use as a centrifugal force of the ball bearings in order to achieve the operation of the governor. And the other issue with this is I took all those out, and the other issue was here was one of the rings and the pistons were broken, and so the second issue was inside it was right here inside of the cylinder, and there's quite a worn, it's you can feel there's kind of a ridge, quite a ridge on the cylinder, which means that it is relatively worn. So what I've done is I've bought a rebuild kit, so we'll be replacing the cylinder sleeves, putting in new pistons and rings, and then I decided to go ahead and purchase some main bearings because the main bearings looked a little worn on this shaft. This is ice. So the main bearings of the little shaft, which was causing just a hair fracture of play this way and that way of the crankshaft, which I didn't like. So I picked up some new bearings and we'll be replacing those. This is an update on the Ferguson TO20 tractor.